What's the meaning of aide de camp? Aide de camp. 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 The term aide de camp refers to a military officer acting as an assistant or adjutant to a higher-ranking officer. These officers are typically responsible for carrying out administrative tasks, providing logistical support, and serving as a liaison between the higher-ranking officer and other individuals or units. Depending on the circumstances, aides de camp may also be expected to provide tactical advice and assist in the planning and execution of military operations. Overall, aides de camp play a critical role in facilitating effective communication and coordination within military organizations.